guest on the show. Bini, feeling ko hindi ko talaga sila mag-guest. Kahit sinabi nilang 2025 mag-guest sila, feeling ko hindi matutuloy because I'm so proud of them. They're so busy. But I don't know if we can guest them because of their schedule. So,
ikaw na ang pumunta sa kanila.
ako na lang ang pupunta sa kanila. Nangyari last time. Yung walang nangyari. But who else do you guys want to have on the show? Mark Lasatin. Editor pa ko ng Prinsesa ng City Jail. Ang galing mo po, Sir Ras Divina. Wait lang. Uy, pwede bang piliin nyo yung shots na hindi ako hindi ako pangit? Kasi yung makeup and hair ko dun is very Divina. And
Yung cast ng sila Sophia.
the cast of Prinsesa ng City Jail. Ooh, do you guys want that? Thanks, Mark. Sorry, ang dami kong buckle. Guys, on the show, I speak a different kind of Tagalog and I cannot... Dapat, yung tunog ng English ko, yung hindi marunong mag-English. So, ang daming take. I apologize to my whole entire group and mga ka-showmate because I'm learning a new way of speaking Tagalog. So, parang ako nag-learn ng different language. So, parating mali yung sinasabi ko. Parating, cut! Sorry, Sir Mark. Ang sassy mo parate sa outtakes. Outtakes? O, yung nagagalit ako sa sarili ko. Sorry. Guys, I get so mad. So, like, the difference is, when I'm filming social media stuff, it's like super fun, super chill. I don't care if things don't go my way. Wow, okay lang, go with the flow. Pero pag sa teleserye, pag nagkakamali ako, nagagalit talaga ako sa sarili ko. Especially since I haven't been acting in such a long time. So mas napipikon ako sa sarili ko. Sorry na. Suspended ang gifting mo, hindi ka makapag-gift. Yes, because I don't like people gifting me. I want them to save their money. The best gift you can give me is to go on my YouTube channel and watch videos. That's it. Thank you so much. But yes, Prinsesa ng City Jail. January 13. Ayan. Sample ng lines. Nakalimutan ko na, tagal na namin di nagtataping. Kailan yung last taping natin, ate?
Hindi mo tanda.
Diba? Sa
Birthday
tagal. Birthday ko? No, before my birthday.
Oh?
Yeah. Our last taping day was before September 30th pa. So, yeah, it's been a while. We are gonna resume filming in February. Lippy again. It is the Huda Beauty blush. It's a liquid blush, black cherry, and then the Tear lip oil in black honey. There you go. What's your hairstyle? I hate my new hair. Don't copy it. I don't recommend. I miss my long, luscious hair. Bakit ka natatalo? Alright, guys. I'm gonna go now. I just wanted to say, don't forget to watch my YouTube channel on my bio. And also Prinsesa ng City Jail, January 13. And also, I hope you can take on a bullet. And on my YouTube channel. Bye! What the? Why? Wala, hindi ko nakita.